Hey there, hi there, ho there, hello there. Welcome to my channel. My name's Adam and you're with me at my shop, Kaputty Inc. Today's project, we're going to rewire a Gooseneck trailer as well as do some upgrades to it. LED lighting, we need to add a step for my old man. He needs a little help getting up on the trailer. Got a bad knee, rough gig. We also are going to add a chain and binder rack so that my stuff can be a bit more organized, nothing gets tangled up, so on and so forth. Do some repairs to the ramps, so let's get started. First things first, let's get this sucker unloaded. Now we got it unloaded, we can get it moved inside the shop, but first we got to get some stuff moved around in there, so let's go inside and check it out. Let's go walk in the front door and take a gander. We'll do a shop tour another day in a different video, but for now, this current project I'm just finishing up. It's a little dump trailer. It'll go behind a tractor or behind your pickup or something if you wanted to. You'd have to add some sort of pump mechanism if you want to pull it behind a pickup, pump a battery, but otherwise, I got a hose I just had made in the truck. We're going to get that thrown on there, and eventually it'll get sandblasted and painted and set down the road. But let's go ahead and get everything moved so that we can get the trailer in here. Okay, to get the trailer in here, we gotta open up these big ass sliding doors. Not very heat efficient, but you can fit just about anything in here. You got a 14-foot ceiling, it's gorgeous. My grandfather decided to side the whole inside with galvanized, which when it's shiny at first, probably was a great idea, but now that it's covered in stuff, well, you get the idea. It could be a bit brighter in here. So we'll get this stuff out of the way and trying to get it shuffled over as far as I can that way so that we still have room over here. I can park the skid loader and stuff in here, so keep fucking around trying to get it where we want it. We're undoing the trailer here, just getting all the wiring out of it, and we've got a couple of sweet little picadillos here. You can see this. That's a good way to make a connection. That's a butt connector with a heat shrink around it. It comes all as one unit. Real slick, crimp it on, make sure your connection's good with a good tug, and then you just heat shrink it, and it's safe from the environment, safe from the elements. You know, it's not gonna, it'll over time, it'll go shitty. It'll happen, but it'll last a hell of a lot longer. The one that's not Here's another option here. Somebody else had done this before, a yellow with the splice. Obviously where it splits here is going to be a place where you'll see some corrosion start to build, but this one looks like it's been on there for a while and it still looks pretty good. That's just a testament to the heat shringer on the butt connectors there. Now, in the category of what not to do, don't do this. These are called Scotch locks. There might be other names for them. The other name would be complete junk. These things suck. Yeah, they get you by in a pinch. They get you going real fast, but they're just aching for problems, which is what we had on the trailer there. I had like 2 running lights working in the rear and 1 brake light, and the bulbs are all good yet, even though I'm going to 86 them in favor of some LED stuff. This just causes problems. If you're doing this, stop doing this, America. Saw me lifting the trailer up. I used this air-powered hydraulic jack here because I'm lazy. We got her lifted up, just put it under the tongue extension there so you can pull another trailer behind you or a boat, something to that order if you're rich like my friend Jed. And then we got it up in the air here, a little easier to work on. We use these real tall jack stands. They're 10 tons. I do believe they're Sunnex brand. Pretty sweet deals there. Bought them on eBay, not bragging, but they were delivered directly to my house, you know what I'm saying. Got a pair of them here. So it keeps the trailer up, a lot easier to work on, especially when you're overweight.
You can't be the star of the show, right? It's gotta be
well,
me.
we'll beg to differ. We'll see. Under the trailer here, we got Tone cutting out some more wiring that is about as flexible as frozen red rope licorice, aka not anything like old men's peckers and nursing homes. The rails here, that's a limp joke in case anybody didn't catch that. Rails here looking pretty decent, pretty clean. I checked them out when I bought the trailer. Just some surface rust, nothing major, no cracking, no rusted holes. So yeah, proceed, Tone, proceed. Here it is, all the leftover wiring from the trailer project. Probably put it up for sale on Craigslist. $400. No low ballers. I'm really just testing the waters here. Don't try and lowball me though, because I know what I've got. You know, it's just like every rusted out diesel piece of shit pickup. Oh my god, I know what I've got. Don't try and lowball me. I'm just testing the waters. No, you're fucking broke, and you need to sell your truck because you knocked your girlfriend up because you were on a bender because you were slamming vodka and Red Bull all night because you're fucking stupid. So now you're like, I gotta sell this. It's got 35s, even though they're all worn the fuck out. You get the idea. So look for that on Marketplace or Craigslist or in the dumpster outside. Either way, you know. All right, guys, that's going to be everything for the teardown of my Gooseneck trailer. The next video will have us rewiring it and adding some of the things like the chain and binder rack, fixing the ramps, putting all the lights in, everything, including finished plasma cutting out the holes. We're going to add a couple more holes to some of the rails on the way down there so the wire can just run down the side of the trailer up out of the way. We're going to put some conduit underneath there so the wiring has plenty of room to go through. As you saw, we had some, but that was like a finger and an ass. It was a real tight squeeze to get that wire in there, and it didn't even fit in some of it. So we're going to go ahead and upgrade that to, we've got a 3/4 inch. We just buy gas pipe. It's nice and heavy, so it welds. You can get a nice thick weld on it so it doesn't fall off. So that'll be in the next video. If you like this one, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe so you can see more of my videos. Thanks.